If it ain't about cars, then it ain't about Geveey. What's good, everyone? If you're new to the channel, then you're welcome. If you've been rocking with me, you already know the vibes. I really appreciate. Today, we're going to check out this 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. This is a car that mixes the muscle kind of look and that everyday usability. Now we're going to do a quick walk around so you can see what this car is about. Now, under the hood of the 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost sits a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which emits around 310 horsepower. It does a 0 to 60 in about 5.5 seconds, with a top speed of close to 145 mph. So yeah, even without the V8, this thing still moves. From the outside, the Mustang still looks mean and aggressive. You've got the long hood, sharp headlights, and that wide, low stance that screams muscle car. The blue color really pops in the light, and from the side, you still get that classic Mustang silhouette. Short rear deck, wide shoulders, and strong body lines. Honestly, most people won't even know this is a 4-cylinder by just looking at it. Now, jumping inside, it's where things feel a bit simple but sporty. You've got a driver-focused cockpit, you've got these bucket seats, you've got a nice dashboard. Depending on the spec, you get a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment, and all that basics you expect. Bluetooth, drive modes, and steering wheel controls. Everything feels solid, but let's be real, this interior is more about driving than luxury. Now let's talk about the back seat. Sincerely, the back seats are tight. For kids, for people who are not so tall, this might work. But then for adults who are really tall, over 6 feet, then this might not really be an option to sit at the back and take a long trip. Now let's talk about the trunk real quick. For a coupe, that trunk space is actually decent. You can fit a few suitcases, groceries, camera gear, or a weekend bag with no stress. It's not SUV big, but for daily use and road trips, yeah, Mustang did their thing there. Want to know a fun fact? Actually, I fit in the trunk. So yeah, space is not bad at all. For a sports coupe, that trunk is surprisingly usable. Yeah guys, actually I can fit in. Okay. So my overall review, the thing is most people hate on the EcoBoost because it's not a V8. But the thing is most owners love it because, you know, it just, it's fuel efficient, it's easier to maintain, and even though it doesn't give that raw like the V8, you know, like it still gives that balance between everyday usability and that muscle car that you're looking for. So I think overall, like, it's a cheaper car, a cheaper option to go with if you want a sporty car, but then you just don't want something that would cost you a lot to maintain. So the 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost is that car that gives that solid balance between performance, style, and everyday usability. Even though it doesn't roar like the V8, it still has a lot to offer. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.